I'm gonna do a video underneath the car now. This is not normal noise, they're kicking.
That's not a mount.
Yeah, that's
something in the drivetrain. That's crazy.
You're at Lexus in Pleasanton. Oh, not only that, the car is soaking water. Everything's soaking wet. Everything's wet. This car has water damage.
Push down.
So,
ooh, you see that? You just scoop it over to you. Look at that.
I mean,
all that water in that car.
This car's, look at this. Thank you.
There,
this car has water damage like crazy. Just because it rained and everything's soaking wet on this car. So this car has got probably mold in it as well. Pathetic. This is ridiculous. This car's leaking water like crazy inside of it. No one drove it. It's been at Lexus.